In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Vimeo video on Chrome. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. We're going to start by doing a quick search that will point us to the tools we need. In the address bar at the top, type "How to download Vimeo video on Chrome" and press Enter. This search will bring up a list of guides, extensions, and tools that are specifically designed to help you save Vimeo videos to your device. On the results page, look through the top few links. You'll usually see a mix of Chrome extensions, online downloader websites, and tutorial articles. Focus on results that look reputable, such as well-known tech blogs, the Chrome Web Store, or frequently updated tools. Avoid anything that looks suspicious, overloaded with ads, or unclear about what it does, because those can sometimes be unsafe or unreliable. If you decide to use a Chrome extension, open the result that leads to the Chrome Web Store. On that page, you can review the extension details, check the star rating, and skim through recent user reviews to make sure it still works well with Vimeo and with the latest version of Chrome. When you're satisfied, click Add to Chrome and confirm. After installation, most extensions will add a small icon in the top right corner of your browser. Next, head over to the Vimeo video you want to download. Play the video for a few seconds so the extension can detect it. Then click the extension icon. In many cases, you'll see one or more download options, such as different resolutions or file sizes. Choose the quality that best fits your needs. Higher resolutions look better but will take up more space and take longer to download. Once you select your preferred option, the download should start automatically, and the video will be saved to your default downloads folder. If you prefer not to install an extension, you can instead use one of the online Vimeo downloader websites from your search results. With those, you usually copy the URL of the Vimeo video, paste it into the site's input box, and then choose a download quality. Again, be sure to stick to trusted websites and close any pop-ups that aren't related to the video. Finally, once the download is complete, open your downloads folder to confirm the file is there and play it back to make sure everything looks and sounds correct. Always remember to respect copyright rules and only download videos you have permission to save.